Here is your writing lesson for Friday, the 28th of August. We didn't do writing today in class, not on a whiteboard, and I think it's important to practice every single day. So in class, we did other things today, different activities, because it was Friday, but I do want you to do this writing assignment, which will be brief in my explanation anyway. So you're not writing yet. Don't copy anything yet until I've explained what this is. And as always, you got the name and the date. And underneath, rather than practice the letter G 100 times, I just wrote out the words to our song. 4 lines of it. And I'm going to read it now, not sing it, I'm going to read it, just like it's reading that we're doing in class. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. So your only expectation here is to write these words neatly as you can. And all the letters that we practiced that have a letter C inside of it, like this letter O, you should have that one perfect. And what else? The letter A. All these letter A's should be perfect. And the letter G's. We've practiced all these. Oop. And look, Mr. Barry's isn't even perfect. Look at that. See, it was, the G is not touching the line. See that? I want to, since this is handwriting practice, I want to make sure it's touching. So there we go. And what else? We have the letter O. You should have that perfectly. The letter O, you should know perfectly. A, we've practiced this. So there are probably more I'm not seeing right now, but yeah, there's another letter A. And you are going to write this very neatly. One last thing I'll point out before letting you do your work is that only the first letter is a capital letter. There's a capital W. There's a capital Y. Capital M, capital Y. All the other letters are lowercase, and I will identify only 3 letters I see that are exceptions to the lowercase rule. So actually 4 letters. If you look at the Y goes underneath the bottom line. And the G goes beneath the bottom line. But none of the other letters are going beneath the bottom line. And then up here we have the 2 letter P's that also have a tail that go below the line. Every other word in these sentences, every other letter is right on the line. Look at that. It's right on the line. Right on the line. Every other letter. Whoops. Every other letter. So as we follow this lowercase, 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 lowercase. Oh, I missed another one. Look, I didn't even see that letter Y. This one goes below. And then all the other ones are going to be exactly on that line. I think you're getting the picture now. What I'm going to do is scoot out a little bit so you can see the whole thing at once. Now you can pause the video and copy this entire thing, and that is all you're going to have for your writing assignment today, is writing these words for our song as neatly as you can. Have a great weekend.